Okay, Festival of the Wooden Serpent, Lunar New Year Rollercoin Edition is live, and this is a massive event. Today on That Techo Guy, I'll be discussing all the miners that you need for you to be able to merge and craft a massive miner. Stay tuned. I just love these massive events. They bring us so much power and so much joy. So on my screen here, you can see the blog post from Rollercoin that came out a few days ago. Festival of the Wooden Serpent Lunar New Year Rollercoin Edition. So are you ready to experience the ultimate Lunar New Year celebration with the Festival of the Wooden Serpent? This is your moment to shine. So starting from January 24th, which was yesterday, to February the 4th, you'll be packed with special activities fighting for external Viper miner of 27 petahash in power and 12% bonus as a final reward. So what fun is ahead? You'll need to collect 6 event miners and craft the eternal Viper miner with the legendary stats. Worth to fight for, it's a true powerhouse boasting over 2.5 times the sum of strength of all 6 miners needed for the craft. Promising, huh? Each miner is themed around prosperity, fortune, and the spirit of the Lunar New Year. To collect them, all you need to do is to stick to the next schedule. So at the moment, we do have the puzzle event that's going on and the race event that's also going on simultaneously. And we also have a giveaway that is going on, okay? So the first 3 are currently all going on. For the puzzle event and the race event, yesterday I released a video on these, and you can find more details on those events as well. For the giveaway, all you need to do is basically enter the Gleam competition that is currently going on. So here you will see in the homepage that there is the Lunar New Year Challenge. There are still 2 days, 15 hours and 52 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. Basically, all you need to do is click on that. You'll be entered into the Gleam site. I've basically already completed these. So if I log in with my Google account, I've completed all of these already. Okay, be sure to do this just once and make sure that you link your Rollercoin link profile in one of the tasks that you need to do there. You need to definitely make a deposit of any coin you want to Rollercoin worth of at least 5 USD, okay? And then you need to exchange that deposit to RLT, and be careful because the Rollercoin team will be checking the deposits here, okay? So make sure you definitely deposit because they'll get your link, they'll go into it, and they'll see in your profile if you actually made the deposit during this time and if you actually exchanged that deposit to RLT, okay? At least 5 USD worth. The way I did it was with Trump coin, which also just came out on Rollercoin. I deposited some Trump and I actually took advantage as well of the current discount that is going on that Trump coin, which is 20% discount, okay, as you can see, okay? So I had deposited some Trump. So if I go into my official Trump, this is the way you would need to do it. So yesterday I deposited some Trump here, and then if I go to Roller Token, you can see all my other transactions as well, and there'll be one where I did convert the Trump into RLT, okay? I have to do show more, keep on going down the list. It was on the 24th of January where I actually did that, but it has to be, just remember, equivalent of 5 USD, and be sure to cater for the fees as well, okay, because that is very important. Okay, so going back to the blog post here, we can go back here and we can see the rest of the miners that will be needed. So Red Envelope Rush, there'll be a progression event called Red Envelope Rush starting from the 28th of January to the 30th of January, and that will give you the Golden Path miner with 2.4 petahash per second with a 0.5% bonus power. They've all got 0.5% bonus power. Then we've got the Wealth Ember that will start on January 30th to the 1st of February, and this is the new moon sale, okay? And that will give you the Wealth Ember. Serpent Trail, the last puzzle event for this massive event. Night of 1,000 Lanterns will be that puzzle event, and Serpent Trail will be the miner that you can get at 3.4 petahash. If you try and add all these up, including the bonuses, like it says here, it will be 2.5 times less. So if you're gonna keep all these 6 miners and not do that massive craft, then you're gonna have 2.5 times less the power you would and the bonus power you would if you were to actually do the craft. And remember that you do need to start the craft manually, and then you'll get this Eternal Viper at 27 petahash per second with 12% bonus power, which is just simply awesome. Okay, so be sure to try and get all of those miners so you can do this massive craft from February the 2nd. So from February the 2nd, use the crafting offer to merge your 6 miners into the Eternal Viper. Select from 3 crafting options. Normally I just go for the free option and wait 24 hours for my miner to be available. You can do the fast option and craft in 6 hours if you spend 25 RLT, or you can do the ultra fast option and craft in 1 hour if you use your Dodge, which is equivalent to $15 in Dodge, to do that craft, and you'll get the miner in 1 hour. You only have 2 days for crafting, so remember that you do need to start the crafting manually, okay? Also remember that if you do not manage to get any of these rewards, it is written here as well that all miners are tradable, so you can buy the missing one or ones on the marketplace even at the last moment. So you always have that option, but going through previous experience, definitely try to get them through the events, because if you try and get them on the marketplace, they will be ultra expensive. Okay, so do try to get them through these events. So that is pretty much it for this massive festival of the Wooden Serpent, and I wish you all the very best of luck at getting that 27 petahash per second miner with the 12% bonus as the final reward. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.